Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sam Donnelly and I'm going to talk to you today about biomimetic actives, specifically the active that was developed by Jland Biotech for use in cosmetics. I'd first just like to start by saying thank you for the opportunity to speak today, and I hope that you enjoy my presentation. Just to give you a quick overview of what the presentation is going to contain. So I'm going to start by giving you a quick brief introduction into the company, Jland Biotech. I will then go on to describe biomimetic actives and to introduce Jland's biomimetic active known as Biologen. After this, I will give you the information on Biologen and move on to one of our newer products, Biologen Lipo. I will then go through some of the studies that we've done to show the performance of our product. I'll give you a very brief look at the products that Jland currently have on offer, and then we'll wrap things up with a quick conclusion. I'd like to start with a brief introduction into the company. Jland Biotech was founded back in 2015 and is part of the larger Jland Group. They are dedicated to the production of non-animal collagen with a big focus on research and development into the production and also the application of the non-animal collagen they produce. The collagen is produced through a unique fermentation technique that was developed with Nanjing University of Science and Technology and has led to several patents for the company around the world. Jland are committed to being a sustainable company and are focused on both animal and human welfare. They are continuously looking for improvements to ensure sustainability and are ISO 14001 certified. This covers environmental management systems set out to improve environmental performance. All of Jland's Biologen products are vegan registered, with animal welfare being a priority for Jland. Jland are also proud to protect human welfare and are SA 8000 certified. So moving on to biomimetic actives, which is what we are all here to talk about. Just very quickly, I'll define a biomimetic material. These are materials which are man-made and have taken inspiration from some aspect of nature. So in turn, biomimetic active is something that mimics a natural component. The reason that we would use this type of material is that they can trigger the body's natural responses, almost allowing the body to do the hard work for them. This is exactly what Jland have done in developing their non-animal collagen, known as Biologen, where we have taken a natural template of human collagen and produced the non-animal alternative. So what is Biologen? Biologen is a recombinant human-like collagen designed based on human type-free collagen. Jland chose human type-free collagen as their template due to its elasticity and repair function. Type-free collagen naturally reduces with age, with around 50% of fetal skin comprising of type-free, while less than 20% of adult skin is made up of type-free collagen. The engineered gene is not an exact copy and has been optimized for its use, though it still has a close similarity to natural human type-free collagen. Here we have used Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy to produce spectrum for our Biologen product and human type-free collagen. Just looking, we can see the similarity between the two, though there is a slight shift that can be observed for some of the peaks, and also for Biologen, the absorption peak intensity is slightly weakened when compared to the natural human collagen. Currently, the most commonly used and available collagen on the market is animal-derived, which hosts multiple disadvantages. These can be overcome by using recombinant collagen. Looking at the benefits of our specifically designed biomimetic active compared to commonly used animal collagens, we can see the following. Our process allows us to produce a fixed molecular weight of 55 kilodaltons. This lack of variation leads to consistent results, while natural collagen comes with a range of molecular weights and batch variations. The non-animal origin of our collagen allows us to achieve vegan registration for Biologen and also no viral transmission risks that come with animal-derived materials. As there is no telepeptide in the Biologen sequence, there is a low immunogenicity with Jland's products. The Biologen sequence has been optimized for better skin affinity, higher thermal stability, and high water solubility, which make Biologen easier to work with. As the production process is free of any organic solvents or enzymes, there is no chance of any toxic residues in the final product. Biologen is not the only thing Jland use that has taken inspiration from nature. Jland have also utilised the use of liposomes to enhance the performance of Biologen. Liposomes are formed of a phospholipid bilayer and formed into a sphere in which you can encapsulate an active ingredient. This phospholipid bilayer mimics the structure of a cell membrane. There are several benefits that can be observed with using liposomes to encapsulate your active. By using liposomes to encapsulate Biologen, we can achieve a slower release leading to longer lasting effects, faster transdermal absorption as the liposomes are actively taken in by the skin, stronger stability. The use of liposomes may also allow our active ingredient to penetrate deeper into the skin than it would be achieved with the free active. Skin penetration studies have been carried out to show how the use of liposomes can allow higher volumes of Biologen to reach the various layers of the skin in a short timescale compared to free Biologen. This study measured the presence of Biologen in the stratum corneum and the stratum basal layers of the skin 7 hours after application and showed around 2 times more Biologen was present when starting with liposome encapsulated versus free Biologen. Jland have carried out multiple studies to show the effect that Biologen has on the skin, in particular focused on the signs of aging. Here we see the results over an 8-week period of using Biologen SSE Lipo. A reduction in the RO value was observed at each time point over the 8 weeks. This reduction in RO value correlates with an increase in the skin firmness. At the end of 8 weeks, an overall improvement of 45.21% was seen with skin firmness. A reduction was also observed with the water loss, and here we can see that the evaporation rate was significantly reduced at each time point, and an impressive reduction of 28.88% was observed at the end of the 8-week period. Finally, skin redness. Again, we saw an overall improvement rate of 6.55% after 8 weeks, with a reduction in skin redness at each time point, though after just 1 week this was not significant at all other time points. a significant reduction was observed. The study also looked into the anti-wrinkle effect of Biogen SSE lipo, focusing on the area around the eye and looking at wrinkle length, wrinkle area, wrinkle volume, and the wrinkle quantity. All of these were improved over the 8-week period as wrinkles were reduced. We saw an improvement rate of 5.07% in the wrinkle volume, 22.63% in the wrinkle area, 22.21% in wrinkle length, and most significantly 40.74% in the wrinkle quantity. A participant survey was also included as part of the study to assess how people felt about the performance of the product. Feedback was extremely positive, with 100% of participants agreeing that they were satisfied with the product overall after just 4 weeks and also at the end of the 8-week period. Participants also agreed that the product was gentle and not irritating the skin. 90% of participants agreed that the use of the product reduced redness of the skin. 96% agreed that it improved pores and skin smoothness, and 100% of participants agreed that the product enhanced skin elasticity. With Biogen, Jland have developed multiple products now available to the cosmetics industry. From our pure collagen SSE powder to our finished form collagen balls, as seen here in the image. We have also created, as has been mentioned in this presentation, our liposome encapsulated product, Biogen SSE Lipo, and our liquid form, Biogen GAE. Development is always ongoing at Jland to produce new innovative products with Biogen at its core. Just to wrap things up, I hope you've enjoyed hearing about Jland's biomimetic active, Biogen, and our use of liposomes to enhance our product's performance. I hope I've shown you some of the benefits of taking inspiration from nature when designing new materials, as nature really is the beauty that we want to mimic. I'd like to say thank you again for the opportunity to speak today, and also thank you for listening to my presentation. I can now take any questions that you may have on what I've spoke about today.